Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites and exporting the project. Install Unity's Android build support, including SDK/NDK and OpenJDK, then set player settings with a unique package name and target API. Once done, switch scripting backend to match your native plugins and select Gradle as the build system. Now choose Export Project instead of Build and Run, so Unity creates a full Gradle project. This gives you the Android Studio-ready files you need to continue. You open the exported Gradle folder in Android Studio and let it sync. This imports modules like App, Unity Library, and Launcher. Make sure Android Studio's SDK and NDK paths match Unity's installed versions, and set Gradle JDK to Unity's OpenJDK if needed. Once synced, confirm compile SDK version and target SDK version match Unity player settings, then adjust dependencies in build. Gradle if custom plugins exist. After that, enable multi-dex or split APKs as required so the project builds cleanly. You finalize by building the APK in Android Studio and deploying to a device. Use Logcat to watch for runtime crashes and missing symbols. If the build fails, check for mismatched Gradle plugin or Android plugin versions, incorrect SDK/NDK paths, and problematic ProGuard or R8 rules. Adjust them and resync. If runtime crashes occur, ensure native libraries are loaded and ABI settings match. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the project,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.